In this video, we will be learning how to solve trigonometric equations and questions involving the double angle formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent. Let us first go through the derivation for sine 2a. Recall that sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. If we let b equal to a, we get sine of a plus a equals sine a cosine a plus cosine a sine a. Notice that both these terms are identical, and we can simply add them up together to give 2 sine a cosine a. This means that the sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine a cosine a. Next, let us derive the formula for cosine 2a. Recall that cosine of a plus b is equal to cosine a times cosine b minus sine a times sine b. If we let b equal a, we get that cosine 2a is equal to cosine squared a minus sine squared a. This expression can be converted into two other forms. The Pythagorean identity states that sine squared a plus cosine squared a is equal to 1. By rearranging the terms, we find that cosine squared a is equal to 1 minus sine squared a. Substitute this back into the first form of cosine 2a, and we get that cosine 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. This is the second form of the formula. The third form can be derived by substituting sine squared a equals to 1 minus cosine squared a. We get that cosine 2a equals to 2 cosine squared a minus 1. Which version you use will depend on the question. To derive the double angle formula for tangent, we start with the addition formula. Let a equal to b, and we get tangent of 2a equals to 2 times tangent of a divided by 1 minus tangent squared of a. Let us go through an example to see how we can apply the double angle formulas. From the question, we know that sine a is equal to 3 over 5, and angle A is located in the first quadrant. In this quadrant, the values of sine a, cosine a, and tangent a are always positive. Sine 2a is given by 2 sine a cosine a. Since we know the value of sine a, we only need to find the value of cosine a to compute sine 2a. We can find the value of cosine a without the use of a calculator by drawing a right-angled triangle in the first quadrant as shown. The values of cosine a and tangent a can be found by using the trigonometric ratios. Substitute the values of sine a and cosine a to find the value of sine 2a. For cosine 2a, we can use any of the three versions to calculate its value. We will use 1 minus 2 sine square a to get 7 over 25. Tangent 2a can easily be calculated by using the tangent 2a formula.